day 10 of our Ramadan advice series. Fasting is not only about hunger and thirst. True fasting is when every part of the body submits to Allah, making all the limbs fast. During the month of Ramadan, many Muslims who fast know that eating, drinking, and marital relations break the fast. However, the fast in its complete and true form is fulfilled through the participation of all the limbs. Just as the stomach is protected from food and drink, the tongue must be kept away from lying, foul speech, and meaningless talk. The eyes must not look at what is forbidden or seek out faults. The ears must not listen to backbiting, gossip, or vain matters. Most importantly, the heart and mind must occupy themselves with good and pure thoughts. People of spiritual insight state that lying and backbiting spoil the fast. Truly, a person who fails to involve all of their limbs in fasting, even if they fast outwardly, has not grasped the essence of fasting. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized this truth when he said, "There are many who fast, yet gain nothing from their fast except hunger and thirst." There are three types of fasting. The fast of the soul, staying away from excessive desires and being content. The fast of the intellect, acting against base inclinations and whims. The fast of the self, abstaining from food, drink, and what is forbidden. The hadith fasting is a shield has been interpreted to mean that fasting should act as a barrier between a person and everything other than Allah, a veil between the servant and all that distracts from him. True fasting is not only in the stomach, it is in the tongue, the eyes, the ears, the heart, and the mind. Let fasting protect you, let it draw you closer to Allah, let it transform you from the inside out. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below, which part of fasting do you find most challenging? Subscribe to Light of IMAN and stay with us for day 11 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah grant us the reality and essence of fasting. Āmīn.